My dear brothers and sisters, when we talk about gaps, we readily think of distance, the gap of a sibling in terms of birth years, the gap of the mass and the continuation of work in the afternoon. Mapalad lang po kapag ka nasuspindi, no? Tulad mamayang hapon sa mga mag-aaral. The gap between someone to someone in distance. But sometimes a gap would mean a cool off in a relationship. There is a gap because something was unsettled. There is a gap because of a certain emotion. Baka nasaktan, baka nakirot, baka minsan malungkot. You know, Thomas may have felt the gap between his brothers and maybe himself and Jesus. Nakita ng mga alagad nung araw na iyon si Jesus, pero wala si Tomas. Marahil may lungkot kay Tomas, bakit nagpakita si Jesus at wala siya? Marahil may tampos si Tomas, marahil may tanong, maybe there are many whys in his heart. And the gap may also be primarily his doubt. But you know, my dear brothers and sisters, Jesus was not there to maximize or even lengthen the gap between the brothers and Thomas and in him and Thomas. His presence was to fill the gap between them. At marahil sinabi ni Jesus, dahil wala ka noon at gusto mo kong makita, narito ako ngayon. No longer a gap, but already a connection to enjoy. My dear brothers and sisters, Thomas might be around us today. Baka may mahal tayo sa buhay, may kaibigan, o mismo baka tayo ang nakakaranas ng gaps na ito. A gap between us and the Lord. A gap between us and someone. A gap with someone we might not be able to talk with for a long time. Or maybe someone or a gap to someone who also disappointed us. But the gap in Thomas was not enlarged nor given another stretch. The Lord filled the gap. You are not others. You are my disciple. You may be left behind, but this is another chance. You may be distant, but now I give you connection. This gap may be a lost chance, a weak faith, a deep longing, or sometimes a big wound within. But let us remind ourselves that Jesus won't build a gap. He will fill and heal the gap so that there is connection, there is blessing, there is grace when we are close with the Lord. Jesus won't mind the gap. He will always fill the gap.